Papa said knock them out.
Yeah, I'm gonna knock them out.
Papa said knock them out. Come on.
Don't call it a comeback.
Yeah.
I've been here for years, fucking my peers, putting suckers in beers. I'm gonna take this itty bitty world by storm, and I'm just getting warm.
Hi, this is Steve from the ISIS Movie Review. Today we're at Event Cinemas at the Macquarie Centre, and we're going to be asking a few people what they thought about the new movie Happy Feet 2. So what do you think about the new movie?
I like it more than the first film. It's just more interesting. It's cute. Even though I'm a favorite.
So what is your favourite part about the movie?
I love all the dancing parts. I saw kids dancing around. I love it.
So what about you? Do you like the movie?
No, it was unnecessary sequels were crap.
Oh no, what was so bad about it?
There was no passion, no energy, and there was no attempt to make it as good as the original. It's all about making money. The music is worse than the original.
So it seems there are some mixed opinions on this movie, but if you have more to say, click on this link and you can have your say.
Happy Feet 2. Get your puppy on.